skill sets. And let me walk you through some of the projects that I have been worked on. And the first project is the FOSS coin, which is an crypto token that we have created. So this is the official Solana token page where it lists all the uh, tokens which are mint under the Solana network. And here, if you see, you can see the all the public ledger, and you can see all the transactional details and all the publicly available data about this particular coin. You can see here the created address, and it was been. So this particular is the transaction particularly made for the liquidity pool. So when we add a token for a liquidity pool, so it allows for anyone to buy and trade it. Instead of keeping all the coins at um, creator, we can trade it and we can make it transactionable. So if you visit here for the Orion, here you can see my coin and coin logo. You can swap it with the Soul coin, and you can actually make transactionable. And if you visit here, you can get some other documentation, and these are all the URLs of the decentralized storage which my coins is present in all of these platforms. You can verify, you can visit each individual URLs and you can verify this. And here you can go for IPFS and add this particular hash value in front of it. You see my logo of my crypto coin. You can also verify that. And decentralized storage, so each individual elements in this logo has a meaning, the word libre in the Linux community, freedom, same way. And moving to my second project, which is the Hugging Face, which is I have fine-tuned a large language model for a particular needs. So this is the model Toshan Flash. So Toshan Flash is a fine-tuned version of the Google's Gemma model. Gemma models are the open source version of the Google Gemini models, which is 9 to 29 billion parameters, which has been quantized and adopted using the Unsloth. Once again, all of the data are available in repository Hugging Face, and the database that we have used is also available here. This is the data set. Even our database has seen 4 plus downloads. Anyone can use this and utilize. And if you visit the spaces here, you can actually chat with the model without downloading it, but it's too slow because it's running on free tier GPU. Takes a lot of time to respond in the online, but it's the GPU you can. And you can download this model locally, and you can run it as many times as you. So in publicly, we have seen the 3 plus downloads for this month, but as we kept a count, it has seen 27 plus downloads from the data of its. Moving to the next project, decentralized insurance claiming process. So this project was made for an hackathon at Nita Meenakshi College. Here you can see, which is being organized by the Vishwakarma Hack Force. You can see the problem statement and all the details in my Hugging Devfolio profile. You visit here, you can see. If you actually visit this particular URL, insurance.lingadevaru.in, you can access this application over here. See, the main problem is about the data tampering. So data tampering is not just a problem in not just this particular scenario, it can be applied for anything, but the underlying technology remains the same, which is to prevent the tampering of the data. Whenever you make purchase, when you connect to the wallet over here, for example, if I made 5,900 rupees transaction, can be tampered in documentations and all. You can fake those things, saying 6,000 or 12,000 something. So when you do it through the adaptation of the blockchain, so all the transactions that you made here, if you go for your wallet that you used to sign using your private key, here it would be recorded in the blockchain. So anyone can cross verify the authenticity of the insurance that you have purchased, and those data can't be tampered, and even your public informations are not compromised, which has also be kept secret. Only the hash values you can verify it and see the authenticity. So that's one way. And the next project is local pulse. You can access here at localpulse.lingadevaru.in. At the first time when you visit, it automatically detects your location, and it shows you the nearby local events which are going on. database of Google Maps. So it automatically calculate the distance from your present live location. And also it has been user account uh, can actually send a phone number OTP and also the Google sign in with Google options and also email OTPs. And you can also manage your accounts here. You can reset password and also you can remotely access in whichever the device you have logged in this particular application, and you can terminate those things. Yeah, all of these documentations and other technical details are available in this public Git repository. And the next project is about the securing the home network. For that, we are using this GLM net router. So what does this basically does is it encrypts all of your network, home network. So whichever the device like TV, cell phone, laptop, or any device requests the connection to the internet, basically bypasses through this device, and this device sends the request to the main home router, and that home router filters all the traffic. For example, if your device request for an youtube.com, then it passes through this and this sends to the main router. So when the router requests for an youtube.com, youtube servers automatically embed with the associated advertisements. So when it receives the advertisement, so it requests with the it's replace the advertisement IP with the 0.00, which is considered as a sync call. So whichever the device, whether it may be TV, laptop, or cell phone, doesn't receive any kind of advertisements. And you can also use this device as an media server, as a NAS device. So it has the USB port. So if we embed this into, and if we open the ports and point this to the public IP, so even from the far distance remotely you can access all the medias and storage in this. So it can be a cloud storage, it can be done as in cloud storage as well. So all of these traffics, any devices which are connected to this router automatically goes through a DNS, encrypted DNS checkings. This can also be act as an Tor relay. So automatically it connects to an exit node in a Tor. So all your network goes to a Tor network. So even your ISP, internet service provider, can also can't see the any web pages that you are visiting, and it can also act as an always on VPN. It has many other cool features. Let's see the DNS queries which are been filtering for my entire home network. Here you can see all my home network DNS traffics. You can see here. So any kind of malware or any ads or any telemetry tracking things will be get automatically blocked for my entire home network. You can see here the which is the Facebook tracking URL. All of those has been blocked, and you can also see here the analytics. So this is the 30 days analytics. How much percentage of queries has been blocked, which are related to ads, trackers, and malwares. You can analyze those things, and you can. So the reason why you are seeing right now this device is not protected because this is a Linux machine which is running an Arch Linux. So it's been protected with the Mulvad encrypted DNS, and the it's a separate DNS for this particular device. And for the entire home network device goes with the next DNS encrypted channels. Yeah, these are the purview of some of my projects, and you can find my other projects at my GitHub, GitLab, and as well as my portfolio webpage. And yeah, thank you for your time.